So the question is, a car accelerated from a standing point to 120 kilometers in 10 seconds. Determine its acceleration in meters per second. So what you want to do, what I'd suggest is that you draw up a graph first. So 6 centimeters by 10 centimeters. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 1, and then okay, so this will obviously be 0, 20, 40 kilometers, 60, 80, 100, and 120. This will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10 seconds. So that's seconds. This is kilometers per hour. So the car's traveling at 120 k's at about 10 seconds. So the graph, when you draw it, should be like that, constant speed. So another good tip would be recalling SUVAT, so S, U, V, A, and T. So S would be displacement, which we don't know. U will be initial velocity, and we know that it's 0 kilometers an hour because you're starting at a standing point. V will be final velocity, and we know that is 120 kilometers, as it says in the question. A is acceleration, and that's what we have to find, so that is unknown. T is the time taken, the time which is 10 seconds. So in order to do this, so 120 kilometers an hour would be equal to 120 times 10 to the power of 3 all over 60 times 60, and that would equal 33.33 meters per second. And the purpose of this is you're pretty much converting this kilometers per hour into meters per second. So 60 times 60, that's how you get an hour to seconds. And the 10 times 3, well, 10 times 3 is 1,000, and there's 1,000 meters in a kilometer. So once you got this, find this. You would use it in this equation. A equals to V minus U over T. And A is equal to the acceleration, V is the final velocity minus the initial velocity over time. So you just substitute this in, and this should equal to, A is equal to 33.33 minus 0, because that is the initial velocity, over 10 seconds, or 10.0. And if you type that in your calculator, that should equal 3.33 meters per second minus 2. And that is how you find the acceleration.